So it's Friday, the 2nd of May 2025, coming at you with a Friday filmet to show you that Funky Fox has been grouted. So very pleased with what he or she looks like. So as you know, with Funky Fox, I use 3 designs from Chance Glass's Heritage Legacy. So I had 3 designs. I literally put Grantley's plates in several places. There you go. There's one there. And then the final spot here. And then I also used Lotus, this one. And there you go. And Canterbury. So look it up. Canterbury is also here as well. Some people think it's Mother Mary, and I can see it looks like a praying figure, but it's not Mother Mary. It's just me having a funky time with this funky bush. So that's Funky Fox's tail there. So really pleased with how it's developed. I used two butterflies, a monarch butterfly and a small tortoise shell. So, and other things like using the daisies that he's padding through. And of course I had to use National Lottery's Heritage Funds logo in there as a tile. All the tiles are external grade, as you know. I had a lot of fun using textural tiles as well. So all these are either floor or wall tiles for outside. And I used some crockery as well. And I used some glass. So this gorgeousness that looks like a fried egg came from Terry and Alistair Malcolm's glass studio. So that in Stourbridge, so that worked out really well. So I used their glass quite a few places. And I also used my logo. This is my logo. So I'm really pleased with how this all looks now. And the next port of call will be to install, which we're planning to do on Tuesday, the 6th of May. And yeah, it might take 2 days for each panel. And then we'll be using Bal Max Flex Fibre as a bed of tile adhesive, and then we'll infill all the sections with I'll grout all the sections with Mappe's Ultracolour plus 144 chocolate. So that's why there's sections that are, as you can see, movable. So there's 7 sections for each mosaic. So I think that's enough really from me. So it's Caroline Jerrywalla, Mango Mosaics, over and out. See you soon.